Welcome to Pelican's How to Replace Your Pedal Housing video. Make sure you remove the pedal drive from the Kayak before attempting any repairs. In the box, you will find the top and bottom half of the pedal housing. To complete this repair, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver or drill with a Phillips bit. The first thing you need to do is remove the damaged housing. Start by removing the 8 screws holding the housing in place and put them aside for later. Simply lift up the top part of the housing and remove it from the Kayak. To remove the bottom part, squeeze together the 2 pins located at the top and bottom of the piece. Now it's time to install the new housing you received. Pass the bottom part of the housing through the hole and simply squeeze the bottom pins together to allow them to hook onto the edge, and repeat for the pins located at the top of the part. Install the top half of the pedal housing by making sure the side with the logo is closest to the seat. Then loosely screw in the 4 long screws first, followed by the 4 short screws. Once that's done, finish by properly tightening all 8 screws.
You'll notice a gap between the top and bottom parts of the housing. This is completely normal, as it allows easy draining and drying of the area.
You are now ready to get back out in the water. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment section below and check out the rest of our how-to video series.